Oh my God, I'm really excited to share this with you because God told me to share this with you, which is that, you know what? A lot of the times we have this mindset towards our closet, like where we keep our clothes in. Like we have this, like, I don't have very lack energy. We live in lack energy, okay? I don't have anything to wear and whatever. But God is asking you to change it, and God is asking you to affirm with me, which is that there's always something exciting to wear in my closet. Just start affirming that. I have had magic happen with clothes, like I have given away my clothes that I didn't like, or for many reasons. Just God was. There was a time where in 2020 or in 2019, no, yeah, in 2020, God was like, just inspired me to give away most of my clothes, and I was left with, like, I think 3 or 4 pair of clothes. And then suddenly, I wrote a letter to fairies because I believe in fairy energy a lot. If you also believe in fairies, comment down with fairy emoji. So I wrote a letter, like I would like good clothes, and then I started to receive good clothes. And then, like, I just always I build that mindset, like there's always something exciting to wear, and now there is always something exciting to wear in my closet. Plus, if you have this, like, okay, are clothes important? See, in this physical reality, we eat food, so, like, food and all of that, decorating our food, it's all glamorized and accepted. Clothes are such a healing. Okay, you know what? In so many times when I wore, like, something beautiful, someone who was very stressed and nervous, or like, stuck in their negative spiral, they saw me and my outfit, and they were just completely, they came into the present moment. And when I was little, and I grew up in a very dark environment, I was living in an environment where there was, like, sexual abuse, neglect, and constant bullying, put down. I was put down on a daily basis, and I was chronically depressed at the age of 3. Since then, I've been carrying that depression. But anyway, what gave me the courage, one of the things was, I just kept seeing these beautiful outfits. Even though I was in a dark environment, for some reason I saw these beautiful outfits, and I was so happy and excited. They just, yeah, it's unexplained. And yes, so clothes, definitely, if you have that desire, if God is putting certain things, like, okay, go wear that, go get that, don't neglect them. Okay, it has a higher purpose. Get that skirt, or get that dress, get that